This is a short descriptive video about a one-of-a-kind / unique Seth Thomas speed read light alarm flip clock. It is the model 0820, and on its own it's a nice clock. I'm not going to deny that. It's nice to look at. It's the materials that it's made of is nice. It's kind of maybe a cheapish wood with a nice veneer touch on it, and the front is glass with a bezel on the inside. Normally this one doesn't have it, and nice wood panel on the back. It has an alarm. It has a nice silent motor in there, which you will need to open up and lubricate to keep it silent, to make it silent, keep it silent, keep it going for another 30-40 plus years hopefully. And having done a couple of these, I decided to go for something different, something I'd done before with a different model of Seth Thomas, of a Seth Thomas flip clock. And for some reason these look really good when doing that. So what I did is I removed the bezel on the inside. I attached the glass to the plastic front. I painted the case on the inside very light grey colour, just so that it shines up just a bit more in the dark. You can actually see the inside of the clock a bit better. The outside, I sanded it down very mildly. I gave it a good coat of primer, and then I gave it a nice, as you can see, bright green colour. You might call it upcycling. I just call it repurposing, because I'm not saying that I didn't like the clock the way it was, but when you've done a couple of these, then you like to do it different. You like to do something else, and like this, I really like the way it turned out. It's kind of a showcase. You can really see the inside of the clock, how it works, where the light is, how the alarm kind of sort of works. You can see the motor there. You can't really see the motor turning, but you can see the gears there. You can see them turning if you look close enough. I'll just quickly show you the back. I decided not to paint the back because, first of all, it's kind of difficult to sand it. It's a very nice smooth dark brown finish, so I decided to leave that like that. There you set the alarm, there you set the time. On the back there you can turn the alarm on and off. There you go, that's loud enough. So as I said, the motor was carefully opened up by me and cleaned and lubricated, put back together. Of course, I soldered in some new wiring, new lamp, new light, a new resistor for the light, got a new cable, brand new plug, and everything was, of course, thoroughly cleaned and checked. Some new feet on the bottom, and a new label. It is most of the Seth Thomas clocks are 110 volts 60 hertz, so for use in the US or anywhere else where you need that or have that, or you can use it in Europe or Australia, for example, using an expensive adapter for the voltage and the hertz. Now you do come across these clocks in Europe every now and then, but they're not labeled as Seth Thomas. I forgot what they could be labeled as. I've seen different variants of them. I know they were sold in the UK, for example. So you do come across them every now and then, but they do tend to be somewhat rare. And I do like buying clocks in the US, doing them up, and most of the time they do end up leaving for the US again, which is absolutely fine, of course. So this clock is in a perfect working condition, fully restored by me, and of course for sale in my shop. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.